Those pop-ups can get really annoying, especially when almost every site asks for location access. The good news is you can completely disable those requests in just a few simple steps. Open Google Chrome. Now tap or click on the three-dot menu in the top corner of the browser. From the menu, go to Settings. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find Site Settings. Tap on it to open Website Permissions and Privacy Controls. At the top, you'll see the Location option. Open it. By default, Chrome usually allows websites to ask for your location permission whenever you visit certain pages. That's why you keep seeing those location pop-ups while browsing. If you want to stop those prompts completely, simply select Don't allow sites to see your location. Once this setting is enabled, websites will no longer ask for location access while you browse in Chrome. This can help improve your privacy and make browsing feel much less distracting. Just keep in mind, some websites may rely on your location for certain features like nearby stores, local weather, maps, delivery services, or regional recommendations. But if you prefer privacy over convenience, turning this off is definitely a useful setting.